mate Drew from Southside 4x4 down here in Browns Plains. This 200 series we've currently got in, just completed the new rival bar, been colour coded. These are aluminium bars, so they're quite lightweight, so no need for upgrading that front suspension if not required. Also added the VRS 12,500 pound winch, 2 light bars, one lower, one upper. Obviously being further back in the light bar is better for the spread. We also did a GME XRS 370 UHF and side mount aerial for these 200s, goes right where the mirrorless. Also, we added the Bushwakka 270 awning, and we've got the car coming in next week for a few more additions in the rear of the vehicle, including a battery system and a set of drawers. So if you guys need something done, send us a DM or give us a call. Thank you.